ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 4 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ you have to write down constraints. There are 3 constraints, 3 conditions you can say. You have to write down that constraints. So here number of teachers equal to number of subjects equal to 4. Now the constraints you have to write. Constraint I am not going to write here. I will just tell you the constraints. So there are 3. First one, at any one period each subject can be taught by maximum of 1 teacher. At second constraint, at any one period each teacher can teach at most 1 subject. And the last one, teacher taking 2 classes of same subject to be scheduled in consecutive periods. That are the constraints. So you have to write constraints in this part. That are fixed conditions. No need to write it repeatedly. You have to write constraints. After that you have to construct the graph from this one. See, number of edges in that graph can be obtained from this table only. Count the number of, okay, you take the sum of all these entries. Better. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the graph you are going to consider will be having 11 edges and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices and 11 edges. As I said in the previous video, the graph what you are going to write will be a bipartite graph, because no subject will be mapped to subject again, or no teacher can be mapped to teacher again. So the graph will be bipartite, and number of vertices in that graph will be number of subjects plus number of teachers, and number of edges in that graph will be sum of all entries given in the subject teacher mapping. Now let us construct the graph. So I'll write the graph here. So these are the vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, T1, T2, T3, T4. This represents teachers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, subjects: N1, N2, N3, N4. Now you have to draw edges. Now look into this data or this table. Actually I have to write the table once again here. I am not writing the solution in detail. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. Now T1 is mapped to N1 twice, so there must be 2 edges between T1 and N1. Next, T1 is mapped to N3. T1 ಇಂದ N2 ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. T1 ಇಂದ N3. Next, T1 to N4. Next come to T2. T2 to N1 you have 0, so no edge between T2 and N1. T2 N2, there must be one edge between these two. Next T2 N3 no edge. T2 N4 one edge. T2 N4. Next come to T3. T3 N1 no edge. T3 N2 there is an edge. T3 N2. T3 N3 there is an edge. T3 N4 again there is an edge. T4 N1 you have one edge. T4 N2 no edge. T4 N3 there is an edge. T4 N3. T4 N4 there is no edge. Now you have to label these edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, either you can label edges in this side or in this side, because any edge will have one end on this side, another end on this side. So just label on this side, that is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got 11 edges, that's correct. Now you have to draw the line graph of this graph. You have to draw the line graph of this graph. This is the graph required one. Now it's a line graph I have to write. So there are 11 edges in this graph in G. So its line graph should have 11 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there are 11 edges now, 11 vertices now. So let us again name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you have to draw edges. Now come to 1. Here 1 again you have to recall this one, degree of an edge E, where E is an edge between U and V, will be equal to degree of U plus degree of V minus 2. Now edge 1, you have to look into edge 1 here, that is incident to 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Now on the other side, this is incident to 2 ಮತ್ತೆ repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, this one is 10, so 1 to 10. Now see, if you count here, except 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here this is repeated again, so 5 minus 1, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, now it is correct. Now come to 2, it is incident to 3 and 4, so ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, that's already adjacent. So 2 to 3, 2 to 3, so I have to write this again, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ 2 to 10. ಸೊ ನಾವು 1 2 3 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, 1 2 3 ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 4. ಎಸ್, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು 3 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಟು 4 ಇಯರ್, ಸೊ 3 to 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ this side is, you have to look into this side. Here you have the edge 8 and 11, so 3 to 8, 3 to 8 and 3 to 11. Next, okay, 3 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 1 2 3 4 5 ಬಂತು. Let's see here, 1 2 3 4 5. Now it's correct. Come to 4 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಲೆಗೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Come to this side, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Okay, 4 to 6, 4 to 6 and 4 to 9. Next, okay, 4 to 6, 4 to 9. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Now degree is correct. Now come to 5 to 6 one side, 5 to 6 one side. Next, this side 5 to 7, 5 to 7. Yes, okay. 1 2 degree 2 5. Okay, now come to 6. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ 5 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ 9 and 4 is already done. So 6 to 9, 6 to 9 I had to write. Six to 9. Now 6 is over. 6 the degree ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು, 1 2 3. Yes, here 1 2 3. Next come to 7 to 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Next 7 to one side 8 and 9, one side 5 already done. 7 to 5, 8 7 and 9. 7 already incident, sorry adjacent ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9. okay, and another side 3 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 11, 8 and 11. Next come to 9, one side 7 and 8, another side 4 and 6. it's already done agara. So 1 2 3 4 ಇದೆಯಾ, 1 2 3 4. yes, 9 is done. 10, so one side is 11, 10 to 11. Another side 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 already done, so 3 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 11, one side is 8 to 11 already ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10. okay, 11th degree 1 2 3. yes, now the line graph of the given graph is ready. Now we have to color this, color the vertices of the line graph of G. Now let us assign colors like this. See here, 3 as maximum degree and 4 as maximum degree. 5 degree ಇದೆ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 3ಗೆ let us assign okay, green color. green ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. okay, let's write green only. So green, if I assign to 3, then 1 and 2 cannot be green, 3 cannot be green, 5 can be green. okay, green ತಗೋಣ. green, 5 can be green. Now 6 cannot be green because it is adjacent to 5. 7 can be green. 8 cannot be green because it is incident to 3 and 7 here. 9 cannot be green, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is incident, adjacent to 7, that is green, so this cannot be green again. 10 can be green, 11 cannot be green. Now come to 4, so this I'll assign red. So 4 red ಆದರೆ 1 2 cannot be red because they are adjacent to 4. 6 cannot be red. 8 can be red because 9 cannot be red. So ಇದು red ಆಯಿತು. 9 cannot be red. 11 cannot be red because it is incident to 8, that is red. Okay, red ಗೆ 2 possibility ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ. 6 cannot be, 8 can be red, 9 cannot be, 10 already colored, 11 since it is incident to 8, it cannot be red. Okay, come to 2, blue. So 2 are colored with a blue color, so 1 cannot be blue, 10 is already colored. Okay, come to this, 3 already colored, 4 already colored, 5 already colored, 6. So 2 and 6 are not adjacent, so this can be blue. Next 7, 8, 10, 9, yes, it can be taken blue. 9. Now come to 11. 11, it is not adjacent to 2, okay, it is not adjacent to 6, okay, it is not adjacent to 9, okay, now it can be blue. So now the remaining, okay, I'll write that as yellow. 1 ಇನ್ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೂ 4 ಕಲರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಗ್ರೀನ್ 4 ಕಲರ್, 4 4 8, ರೆಡ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲರ್ಡ್. Now let us write down the timetable. So the required timetable is you have to write the colors. Green, red, blue, yellow. Okay, green ಬಂದಿದೆ, green 3, so this one is important for me. 3 is an edge between T1 and N3, so T1 and N3. Next, green 5 is an edge between T2 and N2. Next, 7 is an edge between T3 and N2. Last one, 10 is an edge between T4 and N1. Next, come to red. Red is an edge between, red means 4 is an edge between T1 and N4. Next, red is over 8. Yes, there is one more, 8, it is an edge between T3 and N3. red 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬ್ಲೂ 2 is an edge between T1 and N1. Okay, then 6 is an edge between T2 and N3. Next, 6 is over. 9 is an edge between T3 and N4. Finally, 11 it is an edge between T4 and N3. T4 and N3. Yellow, there is only one color. that is an edge between one alwa T1 and N1. Therefore we got the required timetable. You can write one more table from this. Thus finally we have the timetable. Either you can stop here, no problem, or else better write one more table. We have the timetable. The timetable as given below. So period 1, colors badlo, period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4. So period 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ T1 N3, T2 N2, T3 N2, T4 N1. Period 2 T1 N4, T3 N3. Period 3 T1 N1, T2 N3, T3 N4, T4 N3. The last period T1 N. So this completes the solution of the given problem. So try to practice few more such problems. Just vary number of teachers and number of subjects and write the line graph, then write the graph, then its line graph, then color the vertices of that graph. So try to practice a few more such problems. So with this I will wind up all problems of timetable